All right, here, I usually show you pictures of all of our project vehicles. This one necessarily ain't a project. This is a Toyota. We bought it wrecked up, front end all bent. We've done got the radiator support. We got this piece here replaced. Done welded in spot from a donor vehicle from the junkyard. Get the motor set back in. We had to put an oil pan on it. The wreck had punctured the oil pan. Motor seems intact, so get this fender well back on. We got to put all those, or get the now that we've got the inner fender back on, we got to put all the goodies back on it. Get all the wiring hooked back up. probably going to take and get a just a paint job, solid black, no stripe, nothing put on it. We're missing a couple of pieces here and there, but get a paint job put on it. Got to replace an airbag and clean the interior. We just bought this one to fix. This is one of two, and like I said, I didn't do a project video on it because it's not a keeper. My 68 C10 and my 93 Toyota. I've also got the S10 video. I'll put links to those up right along here somewhere up in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Those are my project vehicles. This one here is just going to be for sale, and I wanted to show you we're about got it back together, just about got it ready to try to start it, get it going here. Then we'll finish putting, we got all new fenders, everything right up there, everything to put on it. Got a new hood for it. We got to get a grill, which ain't a big deal, but anyway, just a second, I'll go to the other building and show you the other one we're working on. The first one I showed you was a 95 model. This is a 96. It runs great, got good tires and wheels. Problem is, it's been on its top side mostly, but on its top also. We have a new cab, which I'll take and show you in just a minute, that we're going to put this one. It's a shame too. It's going to be, if anybody's ever switched a cab before, it's a little bit of work, time consuming mostly. But anyway, both these will be for sale. We picked them up, and this thing runs great. I really hate to get rid of it whenever we get it going, but I've got the 93, and that's, you know, that's all I'm looking for. Here's the donor cab to that second truck. It's green, so we'll have to get a paint job put on it. We'll take and strip the entire interior out, the dash, all that mess there, and put everything out of the other truck over in it. This one, unfortunately, has got some front end damage, so we'll have to cut parts off the front of that one. Radiator support, inner fender, and do about the same thing we've done to the other one down in the garage, but it'll be all right. Anyway, I may do an update video on these when I get them done. As I get them done, just update the end of the video and put some finished pictures. You've seen them before. We'll do the after. But that's all for this video. Just wanted to show you. Like I said, not going to make these project videos, stretch them out, because it just ain't something I'm interested in. These are for sale. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Y'all enjoy. Have a good day. God bless.